Good morning, my gardening friends. Welcome to my Tea Time Tuesday. Goodbye. Goodbye, pretty garden. Goodbye, wonderful property. "25 years of gardening." Okay, this is not going to be pretty because I'm walking. But I wanted to say thank you to all of you who have followed me for years. Oh, did you see Mr. Bunny in there? What are they eating? Oh yeah, baby bunny. So in a half hour, I'm going to try to cover it all. Oh, we got deer damage. We are now at our new apartment. See, Mr. Deer ate that sunflower off. The Russian sage, this is the tall one, but I pruned it down to about, I'd say 8-10 inches by the 4th of July. And then it blooms shorter, stockier and shorter, thicker. Then my catmint was cut down after the first bloom, and it's going to bloom again. It's still mine until the 29th. But we are at the apartment now, and wow, some adjusting. Dave's in my personal space separately is very small. I'm used to having a big art studio, and he's used to having a big hobby area. But life goes on. Remember in the beginning of spring, I told you I put the Persicaria, a perennial, in as a filler. Here it is. Makes a nice filler. Japanese beetles don't like it too much. They kind of leave it alone. There'll be a little damage. Coralline in the center, tropical. And then some hostas. Oh, hydrangeas bloom in the tree. We severely pruned it last year. Right now I'm very tired. Dave and I sold the house on our own, moved on our own. We had a couple men, family members, help us with a few heavy things, but otherwise it's by ourselves. So we're tired, and I don't know when the next video will be. Raspberries did not do good this year. I think they had cane something, but I didn't work on them. Oh, there's a vine in there. Oh, I don't know what's in there. You never saw my garden so wild and crazy, but here it is. I haven't had a whole lot of time to weed. I did get my garlic out. I had no time to pick the, what do you call it? The white butterfly caterpillars. Peas were really good this year. Verbena, Buenos Aires. This is a nice come again. I talked about it in last year's videos. Drops seed just like the calendula. This is the calendula. I use it medicinally. Dropped seed, the calendula and the verbena, Buenos Aires, and comes again without planting. Very sparse, but I did want the new people to have some garden. The people who bought the property are not gardeners. she wants to be. So I left her all my gardening books. Oh, she's got her work cut out for her. Remember, years past, I'd never have a daylily here and shoot a video. No. I always took them off every morning, cup of tea, and deadheading, or at night before I go to bed. I want to take some of this seed and spread it over at the apartment. They have some gardens. Oh, just a minute. I see my water's on here. I'm so sorry this video is. Okay. There we go. Okay. So my new apartment is about 1,250 square feet. And that's bigger than some apartments, but not what we're used to. But that's what happens when you move into senior living. Yep, there's the perilla. We like perilla. Every year I tell you about that, but it's a go crazy plant. Now this looks like a prairie garden. Fleabane went crazy. If I had time, I'd be pulling it. But I don't, so I won't. A lot of deer damage this year. I threw gloriosas in the garden this spring, so lots are coming up. Black-eyed Susans, they're just starting. You see Joe Pye back there? Uh-oh. I was hoping the mosquitoes wouldn't be biting me. I didn't put anything on. It's been so fun with you guys. It really has been. I'm physically fit. It's not that I can't do it anymore. I don't want to do it anymore. I like my painting and sketching, and I'm going to have a whole lot more time to do that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It looks really pretty. And the goldenrod is getting to bloom. That's a Salome series. It's a smaller daylily. Here's my hand, a smaller one. You're probably saying, the ones that follow me and know that I say, oh, I love fleabane. This is fleabane here. I love fleabane. Well, Lark, you got your fill on fleabane this year. And believe me, I would have been pulling it all out. Or not all, but most of it out. Persicaria, Lance Corporal. Deer didn't do too bad on these hostas down here. They left them. They were eating the flowers off the top, which is cool because if you remember the videos I've done in years past, I tell you I take all the flowers off. Whoop, I want to pick this seed too. This is Sweet Sicily. Don't you like that fernlight foliage? And this is the seed. Watch me forget it's in my pocket. Oh, the first blooming great blue lobelia. Around August. But we've had a lot of hot weather, so it's blooming early. Now here's some deer damage. That's what happens when I don't pepper spray. No woods walking today. You have to look on prior videos, okay? Because the mosquitoes are yucky. You know, it always warmed my heart to hear your kind comments or asking questions. Luckily, I don't know how to live stream because talking would really be a lot on me. Too much talking. I name a few things that you might not know. This is an amaranth. It's a grain, and it's Hopi, H-O-P-I. And there's a Persicaria. No. I'm sorry. Perilla. Did I call it back about 5 minutes ago? I think I called it Persicaria. But it's Perilla. See it along the edge here? See how the burgundy pops? Tiger lilies are blooming. Oh, they're so pretty. Common, but so pretty. So my gardening friends, thank you, and huge hugs. I hope you have been safe and healthy. Dave and I have been. Anxiety has been at a standstill this last, I'd say about a year. Herbs. Got off of herbs. No, didn't get off of herbs. I'm being so ditzy. I was watching Dave. He just came, so with my cup of tea because I forgot it. We're working the last on the house, cleaning her up. I'm washing cabinets, vacuuming, and I have a lady coming in to do my floors. Thank you, Liz. You're a godsend. Thank you, Roxanne, for helping me in the garden. Hugs, huge hugs to both of you. You've helped me out so much. Take care. Mwah. Thank you for being faithful watchers, and all you new people, enjoy the older videos too, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.